All right, water pump is leaking. We did confirm it here. 3.6 GM, it's kind of common here. Take a look. What I like to do is I like to break the pulley bolts loose first, just a little loose. Makes it a lot easier. All I've done so far is just to remove the air intake and a couple covers. I haven't really taken anything off. So I want to see, give you a chance to see perspective here. Now that's an expensive repair, close to $1,000 probably. So maybe you can do this yourself. Okay, got them all broken loose. Now it's time to take that belt off. So I've got my 1/2-inch drive with a little extension on there, and I'm going to pull this belt off. You can see the routing of it though before we take it off. It comes up around the alternator, comes up the water pump, and then it goes up and down and around here. So I'm just going to try to slip it off and see how it goes. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Get my ratchet out of the way, and I might even just leave that belt kind of where it is, but I don't want a lot of coolant on it, so set him to the side. Now I got to get this pulley off. Doing this by hand here. I probably should have got like an organizer tray or something to begin with. I did not do that, so I'm going to real quick here just find something to throw my bolts in so I don't lose track of them. Some water pumps do give you new bolts when you purchase them. The one I got here, I'd have to look. I don't think I did. Okay, so the pulley's off. I'm going to set him aside. Maybe I'll use him as my tray. Go. Now to get the water pump off, it's really just these bolts here. You can see where it's been leaking here on the bottom side that we pull. Okay, so to get these off here, I do have my impact. I don't know if I want to use it though. It may speed me up. It may just kind of be a hassle. So if I'm looking at some of these bolts here, I got one out. We got two of them out. Now I do have a tray down here because it's going to start really puking. And it looks like that's part of it there too. Yep. Got a bolt here at the bottom. And I got another one over here. Oh, there she's coming. Big old flood. Looks like I guessed about right on my tray. Next bolt's a little tougher to get with the impact. So I'm just gonna go back to my little quarter ratchet here. And I got one that's living up here, you can see. Just taking him out by hand. I just want to show you it's not a horribly long process to get this pump out. Some of them are, but the 3.6 longitudinally mounted where it's faced toward the front, it's really not too bad. Might as well save some money if you like to work on cars. I would have taken a little more time to get my impact set up. Be a little faster here, obviously. And I'm down to maybe what, one bolt? Let's just see here. I can't even really see. I'm feeling around here. Man, I have to shine the light a little bit different angle. Oh, yep, we got one guy hiding right here. And I'm gonna have to get my ratchet up on him. Now you can see the pump's getting pretty loose too. Oh wow, look at that coolant. Waterfall! Lots of coolant coming out. I didn't tell you, but I did remove the pressure cap. Right, I didn't want this thing to like barf high pressure on me. A little tough to get up in there, that last bolt here. We're getting it. Almost out. I would have probably had a wobbly on there, right? Universal. Faster, that's all right. Gives you better perspective on time here. because I'm not editing video. I'm just showing you how long it actually takes to get the water pump off on this Cadillac. It's a 2006 STS. And the pump is out. All right, take a look at the pump here. Nothing super obvious. This pump's really not that old. But on the bottom side here, it was leaking. You can see that little bit of crust in there possibly. It's a little hard to see. Maybe if I turn just a little bit different. Oh wow, it looks like there was like, appears to be like a little freeze plug in there that maybe they didn't seat all the way. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to do it.